Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Saddamo the Bears. Okay Google, friend of mine is very sad. Make him happy.
Yo buddy, I am going to build an automated rocket over here. Because this area is flat as your ex-wife chest.
We need some ingredients for the rocket. Launch pad, rocket engine, rocket fuel tank, rocket ore mining module, rocket coupling module, rocket silo, and automated rocket automation module. I will build the rocket in creative mode, so let's do it. So this is the launch pad. I will weld it, just like that. Then we need a rocket engine. So I will place it here. The rocket engine should be at the bottom of the rocket. So now we need a fuel tank. I will weld it again. Just like that. Ore mining module. Important note over here, so the coupling module needs to point towards your storage module. Now we have the rocket. I'm going to build the fuel line for the rocket. I will use insulated pipes. You can use any pipes, it's up to you. First thing what we want to display is probably the fuel, so we take one logic reader and one logic writer. So take a screwdriver. So this logic reader, the input is going to be the automated rocket automation module. The variable is going to be fuel. So we can turn the logic reader on. We can see the rocket has no fuel yet. This logic writer will send this number to this display. Maybe I should rename the display. So let's say it is going to be fuel display. Just like this. So let's program the logic writer. So there is only one input over here because we have this logic reader connected with this logic writer and it has no other connection. So just like that. And the output is this fuel display. So output, let's find a fuel display just like that. And the variable is setting. But we don't have any fuel in the rocket yet. I will do the refueling of the rocket right now. So we will use a logic writer with a switch. This one. So screwdriver. Output is our volume pump. And the variable is on. Just like this. I will mix some fuel with ice crusher. And it should work. At least it was working the last time when I tried a few days ago. Hopefully the devs won't change it, because this is the easiest way how to refuel the rocket, and it is just a little bit dirty fuel. If I will check the pipes, we can see we have hydrogen, we have oxygen, and just a little bit of nitrogen. Let's try to refuel the rocket. So I will press this button, and the fuel is flowing into the rocket. Our next block will look like this: logic reader, logic writer, and another logic writer. So basically this reads the automation module and this logic writer sends that number to this display. So let's do it from the scratch, just like this. So logic reader here, logic writer here, and another logic writer here. So let's program it. So this logic reader reads the automation module on the rocket. So I need to find it. So this is the automated rocket automation module and we want to read the mode. The mode is 0 right now. This logic writer will get the data from this logic reader over here. And it sends the data to our LED mode display. So let's do it. So this is our LED mode and we are sending the variable setting just like this. And this logic writer reads this dial over here. That's the input. The output is our automated rocket automation module. Just like this. and the variable is activate. So now 2 more easy steps. We want to display minerables and we want to display the cargo of the ship. So we have a logic reader here and logic writer. This is for the minerables. So I will take it away. So let's do it from the scratch. So this is going to be logic reader. This is the logic writer. So this guy here will read the rocket automation module. So I need to find it. So this one, automated rocket module, and we will look for variable collectible goods. And this logic writer will read this logic reader through this cable, and we want to display it on this display LED minerables. So the output is our LED minerables. This one, we want to have a variable setting, just like that. So I will activate both of them, and this guy over here is driving the mining drills. So let's install it. So it is a logic writer. The input is going to be this lever, just like that. The output, rocket mining drills. Let's find it. So rocket ore mining module, and variable is activate. We can see this logic reader is reading automated rocket cell module, and the variable is import count or quantity, as you wish. And this guy, logic writer, is writing the data to this cargo LED. So let's do it from the scratch, just like that. So logic reader here, logic writer over there. So screwdriver, we want to read the silo on the rocket. So this is the silo. We want to read import count or quantity, just like that. This logic writer will read this logic reader, because we don't have any other devices on this small network. And the output is LED cargo, and the variable is setting, just like that. And this guy over here is reading this lever. The output is automated rocket cell module, and the variable is open. So let's do it from the scratch. So writer, the input is this lever, just like that. Output is our silo on the rocket. Automated rocket cell module, and the variable is open. We have the fuel in the rocket. Perfect. So let's launch it with this dial. The rocket is flying away. We can turn off this guy over here, and we can see the rocket is in mode 4, which means idle at destination, and the rocket found some minerables. So let's activate the mining drill, just like that, and we are mining. So this is what we are getting in our cargo. So we are getting some goodies over there. When these minerables gets to 0, we can go to different location, or we can fly back. But beware, you need at least 500 fuel units to fly back to your base or to your launch pad. We don't have any minerables. Alright, so I will switch off the drills, and we can fly somewhere else. So let's switch it to mode 2. Alright, so the rocket is moving to different position. We are somewhere else. I will activate the mining drills again, and we are getting some goodies again. Alright, so I'm very happy with the mining. I will wait for minerables to be 0, so there is nothing to mine, and I will fly with the rocket back. So I can see the minerables are 0. I will stop the mining drills, and I will switch the rocket to mode 5, which is returning home. The rocket is here. I don't have any chutes over there, so if I will open the cargo, the minerables will fly all over the place, just like that. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. This is the way.